Right, this is New York.
Okay, thank you. Very, very carefully prepared. You know, I would just jump into it. Good afternoon. I'm here at Ratchayothin BTS Station, and I'm here together with Khun Arth. And we were planning to go and check out the new BTS line, but unfortunately, it only opens at 2 o'clock, and we came a little bit too early, so I will go back there a little bit later. But now we thought it would be a good time to have a lunch. So we're going to eat something here in the major Cineplex. And this is an area that I have never been before. I've been here before one time to go and watch an IMAX movie, but that's already 6 or 7 years ago. So Art was just explaining that there is a lot of apartment buildings around here, because this is really close to the Kasemsad University. So a lot of university students come here to study, and then this is a perfect place to live because it's not far from the university. Okay, this is actually really cool because I did not realize the other day Paul was asking me about the elephant building, and here is the elephant building. The elephant building is basically, well, it looks like an elephant, right? And I've never shown it, but this one's for you, Paul. And I have to be really honest, I came here by accident. I didn't realize that the elephant building was here. Okay, so let's go into the major Cineplex. And there's a very nice market down there. Are we gonna eat outside or inside? Inside. Okay, so let's go inside, and maybe for the first time I'm gonna do a little bit of a food vlog. So I'm gonna show you what Art is gonna present to me. Yeah, so these are all new stations, so I think it opened in June. Here we go. Here, as everywhere in Thailand now, you have the Christmas spirit as well. So this is a bit of an older style mall. Okay. I remember the first time I came to this mall, I came here to watch an IMAX movie, and it was Tintin, so we can all calculate how long ago that was. So here you have the Krum Sri IMAX. Yeah, this is very similar to the major Cineplex in Akamai. Okay, we're going down. So outside there is a nice beer garden. I already noticed it one time when I came here when I passed by with the train. So now I notice that I'm filming myself here in the mirror. This is a nice shot. This is a nice shot, Art. The glampers, glamping in the city. This is nice. We are really on the go discovering stuff. Oh. So I think in the evening this is a very nice place to get a beer tower. Just have a quick walk over here. See, it's all closed now. What time do you think this starts normally? Around 6 or something?
After 6, I think.
This looks like a nice place. So I have to definitely come back here in the evening one time. Yeah, and it's very easy to get here with the BTS. It's Ratchayothin, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. We go to this one, to the street food? Wow, but it's actually a really big complex here, eh? The avenue, that's not the same as the major Cineplex. Hello, Santa. Oh, if I wouldn't know better, I would just think that the major Cineplex would be the whole thing, but there is a very big shopping area in the back here. A very open style. This is nice. Oh, this is definitely something that I will come back in the evening. It's a very nice atmosphere, relaxed. The avenue, Ratchayothin. Yeah, and as you know, I'm always looking for the Christmas decorations. So I found a big Christmas tree here, guarded by a transformer. Very good transformer, keeps Santa alive. And we even have Spidey here. So this is like a superhero mall. This is all kinds of food. And the Minions. Yeah, it's always very nice to discover completely new places. I'm happy we made a stop here. This is a parking building. Nice with all the flowers. And there's the Hulk. There's a lot of superheroes in here. Nice. And one more shot of the elephant building. Yeah, we just go there, down there somewhere, right? Yeah?
The red sign over there, right.
Okay. Ah, the red sign. So we're gonna go and eat fried rice or noodles? Fried rice. Okay, let's go for the fried rice. Okay, I'm gonna shut it down here and then I will see you guys at the restaurant. So I'm here with Arth and we are at Khao Pat Phu Muang Thong, which is a fried rice restaurant. And this is what I eat today. So Art is going to show me a little bit how to prepare the food in Thailand, or how to eat it. When you're with family, you can eat from the plates, but if you're with friends, you just get your own bowl and then you prepare your food.
Right, this is yours.
Okay, thank you. Very, very carefully prepared. You know, I would just jump into it.
And you can eat crispy pork with this.
Ah, okay. Okay, so we are going to enjoy our meal. And so I hope you enjoyed the update at the major Cineplex Ratchayothin. If you did, feel free to subscribe and see you guys in my next video.